Mura pa mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, no, ang papanoorin po natin itong video po ito ni Speed, no? Actually kanina lang po ito guys, na and then hindi ko pinapanood ko talaga siya, na and buti lang may nag-release po na video, no? So ito po yung kalaban niya si Pacquiao guys, no, naglaban sila, no? So baka siya muna ito, no, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell guys. Marami pa tayo papanoorin videos nito guys. Ito lang yung mga snippets na papanoorin natin. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Bye.
Hindi ko talaga kanina. Guys, promise, hindi ko pa ito napanood kanina. Gawa ng naglalag po talaga siya, no? Kaya akala ko hindi ko ito po talaga siya mapapanood ng maayos, no? So, ito, may nag-release nga, no? Kasi ngayon, guys, kung papanoorin nyo, ang scene na po ngayon, no? Nag-chess na sila ni Speed, no? Okay?
Percent, okay? Okay.
70% lang gagawin ni Speed. Ang lakas niya. Ba, talagang physical siya, ha? Lakas na, guys. Oh! Solid ang blow nun. Ang clean ng hit ni Pacquiao. Alam niya talaga kung saan dapat tamain eh. Alam niya saan yung open. Oh! Na-counter siya. Oh. Sakit yan guys, hindi ka makakahinga talaga as in. Grabe. Tignan nyo kung paano kinounter ni Pacquiao. Kasi sunod-sunod yung rhythm niya. Pero sabihin natin hindi po basta-basta yung rhythm ng ano niya, no? Yung tempo, no? Yung tempo ng sapak niya. Means baka iba hindi ni... Ano. Pero alam ni Pacquiao talaga. Ano, nagtuloy-tuloy siya rito. Oh, alam niyo, na-tempo ni Pacquiao. Eh. Eh, nakita ka rito guys, no? Yung after nito, talaga nasaktan po talaga si si Speed, do. Parang may time mag-swimming pool na siya, tapos ang sakit pa rin ng stomach niya. Guys, tiyan pa tayo, no? Okay guys, kumakain sila ngayon ng adobo, no? Meron tong balot, alam ko may balot eh. Tiyan natin, ito muna panoorin natin.
My chest saying you gotta eat it.
Yeah. I can hold the camera for you. Let's
So, nag-bad feed.
The whole team will eat one. I didn't put the team.
Sliz, they're saying you gotta eat one, bro. What's good, bro?
Gusto ko yung si Speed,
Yo,
talagang
hit that sub, hit that mic, bro. Oh my
Go
god, we
siya sa
at
kahit ano, no?
425, bro. Shall we try to stream off with freaking 356, bro? Almost 100K to stream. Keep subbing up, y'all. It's only been an hour, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We might gotta keep streaming, bro. We gotta keep streaming. Where?
Eh, naglalag po talaga siya guys. Kaya kanina pero kaya medyo na
I wish the
ako, hindi
gym where you
nakanood.
could play basketball or something.
Naghanap siya ng gym.
It's good, right?
Yeah, the chicken is good.
You got prime. You got prime.
Prime. Kay Logan Paul yan, di ba?
WW.
Sarap siya sa adobong manok guys. Eh. Ay, si Arin Janisha. Mami Janisha.
Mom?
Oh, mother, mommy, Pacquiao.
That's your mom. Hey, mom, how you doing? You doing good? Huh? You doing good? Good. Yeah, we met the mom. Yes, sir, mom. Haguto.
Nagulat si Arin
What we doing? What we doing?
Kasama pala ako sa
You
picture.
want a picture?
I think bouncer siya ni Speed yata. Hindi ko sure guys.
Mommy, nanny.
She really wanted to see you.
Thank you.
I saw you on your live streaming, and then Mommy did say, I want to go there to see show Speed. So
Oh, okay. Thank you, mom. Thank you. W, mom, in the chat.
That's my son.
What's,
Michael.
now he looked just like you. That's
Si
your twin.
Michael
That
Pacquiao.
is your twin. What's good? That's your twin right here, bro.
At syempre guys, no, mawawala ba naman to? Isa to sa mga sobrang nagpa-laman ng newsfeed ko talaga itong moment na to, guys.
Bro, it's crazy, bro. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you. Man, get your motherfucking ass over here, nigga. Man, come here, little nigga. Come here, little nigga. Come here. Come here, nigga. Fuck you say to me. Bro, it's crazy, bro. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you. Man, get your motherfucking ass over
Fuck
here,
you, nigga.
Man, come here, little nigga. Come here, little nigga.
Oh, natakarma, kinarma tuloy yung
Fuck you
bata.
say to me.
Guys, I think yung iba dyan, guys. Akala nila na ano yun, yung word na nega is casual lang yun. Hindi alam ng iba, guys, is ano siya, offensive talaga siya sa ibang bansa. Yung word na, N-word na yun, yung N-word na yun, guys, no? Offensive po talaga siya, guys, no? Parang sa atin, N po yung mga, basta, sobrang offensive po siya, no? So, sa atin, mga Pinoy, parang ang casual lang siya pag binabagin. Hey, nigga, magan. Akala natin, no? Pero, guys, believe me, sa ibang bansa, sobrang ano yan, sobrang offensive yan. Pag binanggit mo, pag inano mo siya sa mga tao talaga, no? As in. Eto, guys, nakiligo siya sa pool ni Pacquiao, guys, no? Fresh na fresh pa to, ha? Ay, laki ang screen yan. Oh.
Yeah, this food feel good.
Bro, you got some animals in here or some shit?
Yeah.
Y'all be in the chat that subscribe and like button, baby!
Napaka-go na go niya sa mga bagay, lahat ng bagay.
Yeah, we got tell him we got.
Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko kay Speed, talaga nirespeto niya talaga yung culture nating mga Pilipino.
Bro, chat, I gotta give me a house like this one day, bro. I gotta get a cool one. It's like did he like custom build this?
Yeah. He designed it himself.
Very nice.
Huh? He designed it himself.
What? You have a good Do you go inside the first? Sometimes?
They delayed. No, you see? You hear?
Yeah,
Yung pool daw niya, hindi daw pool yun, sabi ni Speed. Lake to eh, parang lake na to.
What? Come here, what is that? Come here. Come here.
He wants you to eat a snail. Nah, we're good.
A snail. I can eat that?
Snail, suso.
Get it.
No, you can't eat that.
No, you can't eat. You can't eat a snail, bro.
Can I eat it or no?
No, you can't eat that.
Bao in the Philippines.
He said I can eat it.
No.
Yo, Manny.
No.
Manny, can I eat this?
No.
You don't eat that.
Hindi, di pwede kayo ng suso.
Yeah, you don't eat that.
You sure?
No,
He said it's not poison though.
He said no eat, bro.
Let me ask Manny though. Manny,
Sinasabi ko si Speed netong taong
can I
to.
eat this? No.
Buti lang si Manny sinabi, no.
It's a snail.
Bro, why are you telling me? Yo, he trying to see me die. Why you say eat it?
There's pets.
I never seen a show.
Funny only.
Funny only.
Funny only, no? Kumbaga, ginawa niya lang yun just for, sa katuwaan lang, no? Pero paano pag kinain talaga ni Speed, ano yung si Speed, go na go siya sa lahat ng bagay, no? At syempre, guys, mawawala ba naman yung legendary Meow Meow, no? Okay?
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. What you mean, meow, meow? Meow. What do you mean, meow, meow? Huh? Meow.
Meow meow, it's a cat.
What is this? It's like
Parang iluluwa niya talaga yun, no? Bad trip to mga Pinoy talaga, makaano yun, no? Kukulit talaga nito mga Pinoy, no? So yun guys, marami pa siyang update, so tara, panoorin natin yung iba, no? Pero so far, yung pa lang po yung mga solid like, although na maraming moments, pero yun yung parang pinaka-highlight po talaga ng moments niya, no? So, yun lang, gusto nyo panood doon, no? Abangan natin guys, na magla-live pa yan si Speed, no? Hindi ko lang kasi, ayoko lang kasi na habang nag-live siya is pinapanood natin, nag-live din tayo, no? Gusto ko yung parang, syempre, in respect po kay Speed, no? Sa YouTube channel niya, no? Ayan yan. Kindly hit like and subscribe po kay, kay Speed, no? Napakasolid. Tuwa talaga ako sa kanya kasi napaka-generous niya. Sobrang game na game siya. Hindi mo makikita na lumayo ka sa akin, yak. Talagang go na go siya. Nakakatuwa yung mga ganitong klaseng tao, no? So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Punta tayo sa next video. Let's go.